Just check this out, people. Today I'm reviewing the Ford GT, Ford's absolute hypercar, valued around 850,000 euros. Big thanks to my friends from the Automobilzentrum Rhein-Neckar. They are selling this car and they let me have a go. Big thanks to them. A massive, beautiful showroom. Just check this out. And let's now talk about the Ford GT because it's so special, such a rare and special car. Let's go. This car here in front of me is the Studio Collection, a 1 out of 40 of this Ford GT, and it gives us that beautiful grey with the orange livery. It looks so good. At the front we have Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, this fairly normal looking Ford GT wheel, but the doors and everything is just so special on this car. Just check out this door here. We have a whole carbon fiber door. Yes, everything is out of carbon fiber, it's just painted over it. Just check this out here. This whole thing is in matte carbon fiber. Look at it, how thick it is. It's absolutely insane. Even our air vents are in the door. So you shut the door with the air vents. They are not to found in here, which is super insane. Look at this. I'm shutting the door. There goes our air vents. Ford really gave all they had to do a perfect successor to their perfect 2005 Ford GT. And they invested so much on aerodynamics. Just look at this. Yes, we can see through the car. Can you see that grass? That's a hole inside of the car. Look at that mirror. It reminds me of a Pagani mirror. And it just looks so insane, this car. This here in the front is no luggage space or anything. There's some cable and stuff in there, so not worthy to see. But just check this out, ladies and gentlemen. The powertrain is a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost, producing 630 horsepower and 745 Newton meters, but this is still enough to make this car go 348 kilometers per hour and a 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds, which are basically hypercar numbers, nearly. For 630 horsepower, that's insane, but that's also due to this aerodynamic in here. The amazing numbers we have is also due to its dry weight of 1,385 kilograms, which is super light. And like, not for this car really, it could be a little lighter, but that's still super light. Considering how big this thing is, it's absolutely massive and large. It looks so good. So people, let's now talk about the back. The back is probably the craziest part about this car, because just check this out. Can you see these holes? This is absolutely insane. Just check this out, guys. And these taillights actually serve a purpose. As you can see, we have vents, and these vents are for the engine heat to get out of it. From these headlights, it gets out of the headlights. Isn't that crazy? Dual exhaust pipes, looking also super crazy. We have like 4 beautiful circles here at the back. That massive diffuser, of course. And it just looks like an absolute UFO. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable that this design is like 5 or 6 years old already. Looks like a spaceship, like an absolute UFO. It's unbelievable. 325 wide tires at the back, and this car has a super nice function. If we put it into the track mode, this car jumps down instantly, and I mean instantly. It doesn't take its time, it just jumps down. And so people, let's now check out the inside of this Ford GT and then take it out for a drive. I can't wait. So people, I will now try to get inside of this thing. This will be super hard. Like, oh my god, what this is. Once you are inside of the Ford GT, it's actually pretty comfortable. And then if we shut down the door, our air vent will come also to us. Check this out, now we have also air vents. These are our window switches and our mirror switches, which are out of any other Ford. This one here is from the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT I drove. This one is also from the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT I drove, but it has such a super feeling in here. It just goes so satisfying. We have our Ford infotainment system in here, which is basically like on other Fords. If we open it up, it shows us GT, no Ford badges here, which I really like. GT also here, and then we will have our normal Ford GT navigation system. Yes, it's telling me the door is open, no problem. Look at this, the start stop here lights up. It looks so beautiful in like a bluish tone. It's absolutely insane. Why doesn't this infotainment? Here it is. Now we see that's basically a Ford navigation system, nothing really special. What is this? I found it. Okay. We have our nose lift system here. We have actually comfort suspension. If we press this, it gets more comfortable. Traction system off, which I will not touch today. This car is super new. 232 kilometers on it. Oh, it's such an honor to take this thing out for a drive, ladies and gentlemen. I'm absolutely so hyped right now. So let me show you the seats, then buckle up and start driving this thing here. Check out these seats on the Ford GT. You can't move the seat actually. You can move the steering wheel and the pedals. You can't move the seat. This will be such an insane experience. Let's just drive it. So people, let's start off driving the Ford GT. What an insane car this actually is. This is unbelievable. It truly is a race car, a supercar, a hypercar, whatever you want to call it. The steering is so insane. The whole feeling in this is just absolutely abnormal and insane. Everything is just so extra and so hard. So people, let's drive it here a little. Let's pop into the sport, changing the dials, instant aggressiveness in the transmission and the engine, mechanical noises. What a turbo whistle. This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. Careful here. So people, let's give it full throttle. What a thing! Oh my goodness! Let's take a left here. Oh people, the Ford GT truly deserves its term of super and hypercar. I can see why this is one of my favorite cars. It definitely is such an insane and unique experience. What a car, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Mechanical noises, it's just so insane. The steering is like instant and direct. It's so crazy. The car obviously was warmed up before I took it out, so don't worry about that. It's crazy. It's crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely crazy. What a car! The mechanical noises in this car are insane. It feels like a race car. I'm hearing everything, every intake, every cylinder working. It's just so insane in this car. Big thanks to my friend of the Automobilzentrum Rhein-Neckar for letting me have a go in this unique masterpiece, Ford GT. What a car and what a sound. So people, let's give the Ford GT a little bit of throttle here. This is so fast. Oh my goodness people, oh my goodness. I hope you are enjoying this video as much as I am, because this is so crazy. This is so crazy, ladies and gentlemen. What an insane car. The steering wheel is so crazy, if you can even call it a wheel. What a car. I can't believe that a V6 is producing these noises. This thing is so crazy. It drives nearly as crazy as it looks. This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. Insane. Wow. What a thing, ladies and gentlemen. Unbelievable. Let's do a little pull here. So people, oh my goodness. So people, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Ford GT as much as I did. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.